This is a little over a half an hour later, and I'm not 100% sure, but I think it might continue changing. Now this is fascinating and so pretty. They look like, sorry, but they look like popcorn, and they also look like lily pads, and they also look like flowers, and they look like brains, and they look like, some of them look like cells. Yeah, there. That orange is false. This is so pink, reddish, luscious. Isn't it pretty? Now, I have some leftovers of these colors, and I'm gonna redo the exact same thing on a 12 by 12. And my question for you guys is, should I post another video if I do the exact same thing with the exact same colors? Like, sometimes I'm afraid, you know, to post videos when I redo the same thing. I try to do different things, different colors. But anywho, this one is 14 by 18. I'm going for 12 by 12 now. Stay tuned for the dried result. And it's going to be darker. The colors are going to be a bit darker than this. Can't wait to see. Back with the dried and varnished result. And I've been trying every single angle here in the natural daylight to capture the real colors here, and it's just not happening. It looks like neon pink, which is actually the color that I used basically. But it looks more red here in real. I love how it dried and how those middle effects kind of blend in with the black. And I ended up doing another one, and I couldn't help myself but making it different. So stay tuned for my next video, attempting this again.
and you'll see there's pretty much a lot going on. All right, bye guys.